Hey, I'm at Disney California Adventure right now, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can add on Lightning Lane Multipass for your next trip so that you know the step-by-step walkthrough, everything that you need to know, see it all laid out first, and that way you'll be extra prepared. So what I'm going to show you is how you can purchase Lightning Lane Multipass if you did not purchase it in advance with your ticket. The very first step you need to do is actually go inside one of the two Disneyland theme parks, either Disneyland or Disney California Adventure. Second step is after you've scanned and you're inside the park, then you can open the Disneyland app, make sure you're signed in, and then select the purchase button under Lightning Lane Multipass on the home screen. This page should pop up, review everything that you need to, and then scroll to the bottom and you'll see this button for Get Lightning Lane Multipass. You'll then select all the tickets on your account who you want to purchase for. You'll see the total here, and at the bottom of the screen is where you actually go to purchase. I'll post instructions for linking tickets to your account in the description in case you need help with that. You'll also need to make sure that a credit card is on file. If you don't have one on file, then it'll ask you to enter your information. You should also be able to purchase with Disney gift cards this way. And once it's all purchased, it will take you to what is called the tip board. And here you can actually change to the different parks, like I showed you right here with the little select park button. But we're still at Disney California Adventure. Usually it gets the park right, but sometimes it might be a little off. So on this page is actually where you book your first Lightning Lane. This page shows all sorts of attractions, and you will see different times telling you when the next Lightning Lane that you can book. So right now it's about noon, and there are some attractions that are really close to this time. However, I really want to go on Toy Story Mania. So what I'm going to do is select the time for that. It is over 2 hours away. I'm going to select everybody in my party by selecting all. You can also individually select everybody and then confirm party at the bottom. Once you've confirmed, you'll see the time again. Sometimes this can change, especially for popular attractions, so make sure you double check that time before you push continue again, and you'll see also how many people are in your party. I usually try to go through this page pretty quickly so the time doesn't change on me. And on the home screen again, you will see your reservation. Now, if you want to make any modifications for it, like let's say that you're like, hey, I actually want to switch to a different time, or I don't need it anymore, you can modify or cancel on this page by tapping that. And as you can see here, we have a list of different times, so I could change to a different time for my current reservation. Sometimes an earlier time will come up, so that might be a good tip if you want to go in there and say, hey, can we get an earlier time by modifying reservations? Or you can scroll a bit down and you can see if there are any other attractions you'd like to experience instead. And again, you also have the option to cancel. So what happens when your time is called? Well, you'll get a pop-up notification that looks like this on your home screen. This should look pretty similar for iPhone and Android, but you tap it and then it will pop up on the main screen, and you can click that redeem button in order to see the barcode that they're going to scan when you go into the ride. So then what you'll do is you actually go up to the ride. You don't want to go in the standby line. You actually want to look for the sign that says Lightning Lane. Each ride has a different sign. There's usually a cast member there. You scan your barcode in front of the pedestal and they'll let you inside the ride. Now, if you want to book a second Lightning Lane for a different ride, all you have to do is use your first one, and then you can book another by repeating the steps I just showed you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And check out my other videos here, including one with even more tips for using Lightning Lane Multipass.